So growth hormone, and what's growth hormone do? Repairs tissues. Yeah, it accelerates repair, and when you have growth plates, it accelerates the rate of growth plate. I was going to say matriculation, but that's not right. Proliferation. So growth plates are cartilage, and they're making more cartilage cells. It increases the rate at which those go. So, yes.
Is that why when people take HGH, they don't grow taller? They just...
Yeah, because their growth plates have already fused. They're gone. So those cartilage pieces are gone. You have two ways of growing bone, right? And that is the longitudinal and appositional. So it grows appositional. Yeah, it grows appositional. So that's why your hat size increases, right? Is because the bones are getting bigger. Barry Bonds. Yeah. He's got a giant head. He went from having a little tiny head to having this giant head.